are my journey mates. You show. I'm currently on my way to the gym. Today is Saturday. I go to the gym in the morning on Saturdays, but like during the week I have to go in the evening because like I have classes. I've actually started classes. I'll give you guys all the tea later of like how everything has been going. I've just been trying to like settle down. So I have like a couple of activities today, quite alright. I wanted to eat before I go to the gym, but like I don't have strength. I'm just going to eat like Oreos because like it's packed with a lot of calories so that I'm not gonna faint. And yeah, be off. So see you at the gym. I want to show you guys my gym fit. Look at my purple scrunchie. It's cold because it's morning. That's why I wore like a long sleeve whatever. These black like pants and my shoe. Okay, this is the first time I'm going to the gym since like I went home. I actually fell out. Like I have not been to the gym for like 1 month. I feel like it's going to hurt so bad when I actually like finish working out. But like God will help us, you know, the children of God also. Look at my eyes. Oh my God, I didn't wash my eye properly. I had mascara on yesterday. And yeah, let's pack my gym bag and let's get going. I actually forgot my I don't want to take anything. I don't want to take my water, my AirPods. Where are they safe? I don't know what these things are mentioning. I don't even know where I threw them. But like I'll find it, I guess. I don't know.
You said you would die for me. What happened to those words? Nowadays you don't check if I breathe. You don't check on me, check on me, check on me. You don't check on me, check on me, check on me. I think if I died, had no one beside me. 'Cause I can't love you if you don't love me.
You're at the bed when no one else is around. I thought that you would need some help from me, but mama, you ain't even helping yourself. Go out and hop up at the shelf for me.
YouTube content. Today was actually like a productive day. Like I'm impressed. Anyways, our makeup ate, didn't it?
You ain't that bad when no one else is around. I thought that you would need some help from me.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is Sunday and I'm like late for church already. I'm not wearing anything too serious to church today. It's just this dress. Like I've had this dress for like a very long time, and like I just said, let me just wear it. So yeah, I don't have anything planned out for today. My roommate's actually coming back today, and I just want to like sit, maybe watch a movie or something, but I don't have any like special like activity today. So I'll just go to church and come back and see. I don't know. I want to unbox this. I want to unbox the shoes I got. My mom got for me. They're actually sandals. I'm not a sandals girly, but like my mom got me sandals. I cannot say I will not wear it. Plus, it's very useful sometimes when I don't want to wear like a serious shoe. I can just like throw on like sandals. Okay, so these are the shoes. They are from Giuseppe Zanotti. I don't know how to pronounce this. Cute. Let me try it on. I think the reasons I don't like sandals is very obvious to me because I think it looks weird. Like the slippers is pretty, but like on my leg it's not just like, I'm not just feeling it, but like it looks so, my feet look so pretty. I'm not going to show you my feet because like you have to pay. How do you feel? Speak to Uncle Rema. Uncle Rema. Why?
Why not more?